Welcome back to Auto Cars Play. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, the 2025 Audi A4. This latest iteration of Audi's popular luxury sedan is packed with innovation, performance, and a sleek new design. Whether you're a long-time Audi enthusiast or just getting introduced to the brand, this model is sure to impress. So, let's dive deep into what makes the 2025 Audi A4 a game-changer. The first thing you'll notice about the new A4 is its refined exterior. Audi has taken a bold yet elegant approach with sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and updated LED lighting technology. The Matrix LED headlights provide an even more precise and adaptive lighting experience, ensuring better visibility and safety on the road. The signature single-frame grille has been slightly redesigned, giving the A4 a sportier and more modern aesthetic. Aerodynamics have also been improved, reducing drag and enhancing efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A4 comes with multiple powertrain options. Audi continues to offer their trusted 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, now enhanced with mild hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency and responsiveness. This engine delivers around 250 horsepower, making it powerful yet smooth on the road. For those looking for extra performance, Audi offers a sportier variant with a more powerful output, reaching close to 300 horsepower. The Quattro all-wheel drive system remains a staple, providing superior traction and stability, ensuring confidence in all driving conditions. Moving inside, Audi has truly stepped up their game with the interior of the 2025 A4. Premium materials, advanced technology, and a driver-focused design make this cabin a fantastic place to be. The dashboard now features a fully digital 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit, with improved graphics and customization options. The infotainment system is powered by the latest MMI interface, featuring a larger touchscreen with haptic feedback for a seamless user experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-quality Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive audio experience. Comfort is another area where the 2025 A4 excels. The seats have been redesigned with better lumbar support and more premium leather options, ensuring long drives remain comfortable. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and enhanced climate control features, making this a great car for both drivers and passengers alike. The overall cabin design is quieter thanks to improved insulation, reducing road noise and enhancing overall driving comfort. When it comes to safety, Audi has integrated its most advanced driver assistance technologies into the new A4. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide added security on the road. The car also includes Audi's predictive safety technology, which can anticipate potential collisions and take preventive measures to minimize risk. On the road, the 2025 A4 offers a refined yet dynamic driving experience. The steering is precise, the suspension is well balanced, and the car feels agile yet stable at high speeds. Audi has further refined the driving dynamics, ensuring that the A4 delivers an engaging performance whether you're in the city or on the highway. So, is the 2025 Audi A4 worth considering? Absolutely. It blends luxury, technology, and performance seamlessly, making it one of the best choices in its segment. If you're in the market for a sophisticated and sporty sedan, the new Audi A4 should definitely be on your radar. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Cars Play. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new A4, and if you'd like to see a comparison with its competitors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's your script for the 2025 Audi A4 video. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments or additional details.